Katie Phang is a former prosecutor and a frequent guest of ours. All right, Katie, apart from this latest report of investigating the foundation, have we had any hard evidence yet that you have seen that there is indeed a prosecutorial pay-to-play situation at the foundation? Have you seen it?
I haven't seen it. It doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. And frankly, Stuart, whatever happened to law and order, whatever happened to the idea that the DOJ and the FBI would work together to bring justice to the American public? At this point in time, the only evidence that has been released that we do know and can confirm is that the DOJ, which now seems to act as a long arm of the Clinton Foundation and for the Clintons themselves, has been stonewalling and obstructing the FBI from using its investigative techniques like subpoenas, grand juries, and formal witness interviews to be able to get the evidence that I would need as the prosecutor to get an indictment against the people that are involved.
That's interesting, Katie. You're basically saying that it's the Department of Justice is stonewalling the whole investigation, stymieing this thing, holding it up. Is that what the Department of Justice is supposed to do?
Absolutely not. In fact, the FBI is supposed to collect the evidence, bring it to the DOJ. And remember, the DOJ makes the filing decisions on who to indict and how to go about prosecuting. But guys, remember, back in July, because Loretta Lynch decided to waive any semblance of credibility when she met with Bill Clinton on that private tarmac meeting in Arizona, she said that Director Comey is in charge of making this decision. She would defer to him. So if that's the case, let him be the quarterback of this process. Get out of the way and let the FBI do its job. But from what we know and what has been confirmed by the sources that have been revealed to us is the reality. The DOJ is not allowing its prosecutors to okay things like subpoenas, which we know are powerful, and they're giving limited use immunity to people that have clear involvement and that are culpable in this case.
Now, this thing cannot be over in all of these investigations. There's no way that they're cleared up by the election next Tuesday. I don't see there's any way that they're cleared up well into next year, which means this whole thing hangs over whomsoever is elected the President of the United States, and that's a dreadful situation. That's my opinion. Yours?
I totally agree. The problem is there's a TikTok deadline coming up on Tuesday, but I'm giving you a legal perspective, Stuart. Yep. It's not an emotional or a political one. If you can't do it by Tuesday, then you know what? It doesn't mean that we're not going to be able to find indictments against the proper defendants.
Okay. What a situation. I mean, just what a situation. How many investigations are there? There's one here, one there. I think it's 5, actually. That's what's going on here. Katie, we always appreciate you being on the show. Thank you very much again today. Thank you.
Thanks, Stuart.